Welcome you today to Smart Money AI. In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide through which you'll get $111 as a trading capital. And the good part is you're going to trade this capital with a 7 days grace period, after which you can withdraw your profits, but know that the balance will be reset. So as soon as you create an account and you are giving the money, please start trading with it. If you don't know how to trade, you can link up with me. I'll also leave a registration link in the description section of the video. So all you have to do is to click on it and then you start. So it's actually a new broker that contacted me for this opportunity. So I, not being selfish, I decided to share it with you here, right? So all you have to do is to go to this site. Remember I said I'll leave a link in the description section with you for you. So you just click on it and then you start doing your own thing. Making money always is my motive goal, and that's why I always come here on your screens to bring you the best opportunities, right? So once you open the site and you see this, please don't sign in with Google. Enter all your details manually. So let's start. So my name is Stanley. That's my first name, right? Okay, and my last name, let me use, okay. So for the email address, let me use Stanley Oche 48. Okay, and then the password, you see, one thing about these guys is I think the password, they need you to combine, I think, what do you call it, to combine letters, numbers, uppercase and lowercase. So for the password, let me choose something as usual, Stanley 1H, right? Let me do the same thing here, Stanley 1, sorry, 1. Oh my god, I don't remember what I typed. So let me go back. Sorry guys, sorry. Stanley. Okay, let me make the one a figure. So like this, I think like this is so jeje and superb. All right, I'm in Ghana, so here it requires my mobile phone number. So let me use this. Okay, so I'm using this phone number. You click on I have accepted, like you accept, and you also click on this, right? After that, click on register now. And now let's see something. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So once you are done with this, I think actually as usual they will send a confirmation link to your Gmail account. So let's wait for this page to load. And okay, you say congratulations, your account has been successfully registered. Your account needs to be validated. So let's go into the email account and then we'll find the mail details. Okay, so money makers, this is my email address, my Gmail account here. I just opened in and I don't see any message. So let's refresh and see. You see how I'm doing this thing, right? I'm taking your hand. I'm taking you through systematically. I don't want you to miss any step. So I don't see what's the big deal here for you subscribing to my channel. Guys, don't do that. At least click on the subscribe button to help us grow our channel, right? So that's the message right there. I hope you can see the message. That's the message right there. So let's click on it. And as you can see, it's now telling me to what, to confirm my email. So all I have to do is to click on this section. You see where it's saying confirm email. Yeah, let me just click on that and then we move. So it's loading. Let's wait for it small. It will load very soon. So once you create this account and you don't know how to trade, I'm talking about forex trading, you don't know how to make that money online, just link up to me, right? You can just link up to me and then we will take it from there. All right, so the email has been successfully blah blah blah. Now let's, if you are not logged in automatically after you receive this message, just click on that here, and then you see the color was blue. So once you click on it, then it will take you. Okay, so let's log in with the email and also the password we choose. Okay, so the email I used was Stanley Ochre48@gmail.com. Guys, make sure you follow it systematically, I beg. Okay, because if you don't make this money, um it will be, I'll be very surprised. Let me say it that way. I will be very surprised. Okay, so guys, this is the interface of the page, right? This is where your money is. So please make sure you watch the video carefully and do everything as I'm saying. All right, so as you can see, your $111 bonus has arrived in your account. So please kindly click on open real accounts, right? So you are just going to open this. So guys, you just convert $111 into your local currency. So give me about 3 minutes to explain some stuffs here for you, so you don't find yourself wanting. As you can see, this is your trading login, right? So we are going to link this account to the MT4, right? I'm guiding you systematically. So when we go to the MT4, they will ask for your login. The login is 296635. That's for this account, but yours will be different, right? And we also have a trading password, which is RVB95 blah 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 blah. But we are not going to use this password for trading. We will change it to what we can easily remember easily. And we also have the investor password. I'm very humble to let you know that investor password is the password you use whenever you want to withdraw funds from your account, right? So it's good you write this somewhere because it will be very helpful. And this bonus that you've gotten will expire in 7 days. So take note, it will expire in 7 days. So if you don't trade with it in the next 7 days, weekends are not inclusive. I'm talking about 7 business days. If you don't trade with it, I'm glad to let you know the funds will be reset and you will lose it. Trust me. And that here is the server name. So at this juncture, let me take let me take a screenshot because I'll need this as reference in the near future. Or you can also write them somewhere, especially your login and those other stuff, but I've taken screenshots. So let's proceed. So here you can just close it, right? And now your account has been created. You can now link it to your MT4, right? Okay, I'm not going to change the password, but you can change your own whenever you want to. So you just have to go to Play Store and then download MT4, right? Let me show you my own MT4. So if you don't know it, okay, so that right there is my MT4, right? So you just have to go to Play Store and then search for MT4. I hope you can see that. And I also have MT5 here. But for the bonus, you can only use MT4. So let me open the MT4. It's actually my MT4 app. And I'm going to link the account we just created. This is actually where we will be trading. So I'll link the accounts for you to see. But know this, if you don't know how to trade, you can reach out to me, right? Or you can drop in the description section and I'll make another perfect video on that for you. You know, I really want you to make money. So when you open your MT4 app, just click on this section right there, right? You click that and then you select manage accounts. Have you seen that? So at this point, I want you to click on this addition sign for me, right? And then you select log into an existing account. Make sure you don't choose open demo account, right? So you click on find broker, and all you got to search is multi-rate, like that. And then you choose the rail, multi-rate rail. Don't go and choose demo. I hope I'm making myself clear. So here you enter the login they gave you and also the trading password they gave you, right? Okay, so the login was 296635, right? 296635. And let's look at the hideous trading password they gave us. That one was RVB95, RVB RVB95, and this special character, and then CN. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, and then CN, like that. Then you click on sign in. So let's wait. Once it displays your name, it means it's been successful. So now it means I'm having two accounts, both containing 111 cities, as you can imagine. But know this, guys, take note of this, right? You can't operate two accounts because they will need you to verify both with your ID, and you know how it goes. If you try to cheat, you'll be opted out, right? So now that I've logged into the account, I'll just click on this. I'll click on the candlesticks you see here. You see that represents the chart. So I'll just click on it, as simple as ABC, and this is where I will be trading, right? So I'm currently on GBP and then USD interface, as you can see. So guys, that's it. That's actually it. That's how you can create and link your account. And the $111 is for you to trade with. If you can make thousands in the first week of next month, they will allow you to withdraw. No case. Guys, let's ride along and make this money. Thank you. See you again next time. Bye bye.